Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Think Big Digital. So in today's video we're gonna learn how to rename database in Notion. So to rename the database, go to the Notion app and open the database that you want to rename. And here you can see the title. Simply tap on this option and you'll find out the rename option and give it a new name that you want to. And that's it. As you can see, we have already given the new name, and you can always change this option. Whenever you tap on this option, you can always change the data name. So that's it. Hope this video find you helpful. Let me know in the comment sections if you have any confusion, and don't forget to like and subscribe this channel for more tips and tricks.